Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to make a NSFW channel on Discord mobile. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you are using your Android device, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your Discord app, and then let's just go ahead and log in our account. So now once you've logged in your account, just go ahead and open a server and select the channel that you want to make as an NSFW channel, and then long press on that, click on edit channel, and then here you want to scroll down, and above this slow mode cooldown you should see a NSFW button right there. Okay, so if you have that option, just go ahead and toggle that switch on, and that should make that channel a NSFW channel. Okay, but if you don't have that option or button, just go ahead and open your browser and log in your account using the browser that you are using. Okay, and then after that, just go ahead and again open the server and select a channel. Here you want to click on the settings icon at the right side of the channel that you want to make as an NSFW channel, or click on edit channel, and then you want to click on permissions, and then after that just go ahead and scroll down. So let me just go back because I'm sorry, just need to click on overview. So once you've clicked on overview, just want to scroll down until you see age restricted channel. Okay, NSFW and age restricted channel is the same because if you don't know, NSFW means not safe for work. Okay, so just go ahead and toggle that switch on if you want to activate the age restricted channel, and just go ahead and toggle that switch off if you don't want the age restricted channel. Okay, so users will need to confirm they are over legal age to view in the content in this channel. Age restricted channels are exempt from the explicit content filter. So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.